Hey, Chaz with Infinite Real Estate again. We are in Lehi, Traverse Mountain to be specific, and we're going to be looking at a Toll Brothers model home, the Fairbanks Modern to be specific. This one will run you about $1.2 million to buy, but bear with me because you're going to see why here in a second. This home boasts a lot of cool features, like some examples of butler, pantry, exercise room, huge island. What else? Two-story high great room, as well as just a huge water, like enclosed water area for your bath and shower with a rainfall, a huge basement with a ton of potential area for entertaining. So I really think you guys are gonna love it. If you do want to look at it in person, just give me a text, call, shoot me a message, and love to look at it with you today. As well, a little bonus, if you can spot me this video, last video, whatever, in any of the drone footage, go ahead and comment a timestamp and I will give you a little prize for doing that. So look forward to it. Thanks, guys.
Welcome to Toll Brothers at Lakeview Estates, a beacon of luxury nestled atop the highest point in the master plan, offering unparalleled mountain and lake vistas. Today, we invite you on an exclusive tour of the Fairbanks floor plan, a testament to modern design and impeccable craftsmanship. As you step onto the welcoming covered entry, you're greeted by a grand two-story foyer that seamlessly flows into the expansive great room. Here, you can't help but be captivated by the allure of the luxury outdoor living space, promising countless moments of relaxation and serenity. The heart of the Fairbanks home is undoubtedly its well-equipped kitchen. Designed for both functionality and style, it boasts a spacious center island with a breakfast bar, ensuring every meal is a delightful experience. Adjacent to the kitchen is the bright, formal dining room, perfect for intimate dinners or festive gatherings. Hide away tabletop appliances in your spacious butler's pantry. Now, let's journey to the primary bedroom suite, a haven of tranquility. The suite boasts an enormous walk-in closet, ensuring all your belongings find their perfect spot. The adjoining deluxe primary bath is a sanctuary in itself, featuring dual vanities, a large soaking tub, and a luxurious glass shower enclosed together in a wet room. Every detail here speaks of comfort and elegance. The Fairbanks doesn't stop there. Each secondary bedroom is spacious with generous walk-in closets. And for those who seek versatility, the second floor loft and flex space offer endless possibilities, be it a home office, a playroom, or a cozy reading nook. Rest assured, at Toll Brothers, every home is built with a commitment to quality, backed by a 10-year limited warranty. With stunning architectural features and personalization opportunities, your home in Lakeview Estates is more than just a residence. It's a reflection of your aspirations. Located in the heart of Lehi, Utah, and in close proximity to major employment centers, scenic parks, and shopping destinations, Lakeview Estates promises a life of convenience and luxury. Thank you for joining us on this tour. At Toll Brothers, we don't just build homes, we craft lifestyles. Welcome to your dream home. Welcome to Fairbanks.